Looking for tech news, tech reviews, and web tutorials? Well, you're just at the right place. Hi, my name is Hiren Mehta, and you're watching Tech and Coda. Something about me? Well, I'm a founder of a startup in Mumbai, India. I love web development and technology. I have a passion of trying out new gadgets and I get very intrigued by the new tech innovations. So I thought, why not share that passion with you guys? So what can you expect from this channel? Well, a lot of fun stuff. You'll be seeing tech news and gadgets reviewed by me. I'm a self-learned developer. Most of the things which I know and learned was probably by watching videos from wherever I could manage. So I thought it was time to give it back to the community. Hence, you will be seeing a lot of tutorials hosted by me where we will be starting from absolute basics and then move on to more complex programming. I promise I will try to keep it as simple as possible. So what do you need to do? Very simple. All you need to do is subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. And once subscribed, make sure you click on the bell icon to receive the notifications and alerts about the videos that we will be uploading in the future. You can also follow me on Twitter at Tech and Coda. Hope to see you around, guys, and until the next video, take care.